Hello, good evening. I am Priyanka Pabishetty, and if you haven't watched my YouTube videos, so again, nice to meet you all. If you are new on my channel, so nice to meet you. And right now, I'm living in South Korea, Seoul city, and today I'm going to show the products that I bought from Olive Young for myself, because it's been a long time that I didn't buy any skincare, because I used to live in Netherlands and I knew that I'm gonna move to Korea, so I never stocked it up because it's of no use to carry these many big products in my bag. So finally I finished all the products that I had, and today I went to Olive Young and I found good products. So let's start with the one that I actually needed for the summer summer season right now, and I ran out of my sunscreen. So this is Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. I don't know if you can see it. So there was some offer going on, like if you buy one you'll get like small packets on it. So I'm gonna open that now. I've been using this for a long time. It's been like 1 year now that I've been using this sunscreen, and it this sunscreen really suits me, my skin, my face. So I've been continuing to use this one. So there are like two products, but I usually use this one. I don't know if it's visible, but so this is the 50 ml pack, but I got like 2 small packets as a free stuff, and this is handy because I can carry this in my bag when I go to the school or when I go to college or my office or anything. So it's a good packet. Next that I got for myself was this. So I've been using Mixsoon hydrating glacier water for a long time. I hardly have like 1 or 2 to 3 products that I use. Usually I don't use much of them, but I have been reading a lot about this product, like Mixsoon Bean Essence, and you can use it as a layer on your face or also for exfoliating purpose, and I really wanted to try it out, so I bought this one. I'm gonna see how it works and how it suits my face skin or not. And because there are a lot of offers going on right now in Olive Young, so I also got Mixsoon Sundi Centella Asiatica Essence as a free gift with this. So there was an offer going on, and I also got this for free in it. So that's the second product I got. Third, I also went for because I use a hydrating serum after the toner, after my face wash, toner, and then I use the hydrating serum, and then I go for snail cream or something, and then I go for my sunscreen, moisturizer and sunscreen. So it's like 4 or 5 steps, yeah. But I ran out of my Mixsoon glacier water serum, so I thought, why not use another one? Let's try it out, another one. The Olive Young shop that I went for today didn't had the Mixsoon glacier water. Why I use it is because it's 300 ml and it's really cheap, and it's really like lightweight, so you feel like you are just tapping water, but it's really hydrating for your face. So I went for this Torriden serum. I have heard a lot about this and I read a lot about this, but I also tried it out today and it felt like lightweight and good, so I'm going to try this. So it's like Torriden Diving Serum, and because there are right now offers are going on, so I bought this 50 ml one, and I got this 50 ml pouch, a refill pouch with it. So basically I paid for like 2. I got 2 in one payment. This is what I got from Olive Young today. Oh no, I also got Tocobo Sunscreen Stick, because I usually use the sunscreen cream but this on the go, you can use it like a stick to apply sunscreen all the time. I've realized it, like a friend of mine always says it, and I started using sunscreen as one of my skin routine, and it has been really going well. My face stays really good because of that. But then at least this stick will help me to apply sunscreen on my face on the go, so that's why I bought this one for myself. Usually the sunscreen I would be using, it's just cream in the morning, but look how cool this is. Like, this is like the most fascinating thing that I see in Korea is every product that they make is in the form of keyring, because people here really like hanging key rings or keychains to their bags and to their pouch, and it's really handy. So you don't have to carry like big pouches in your bag. So this is like a small packet of sunscreen stick, and in the box it comes with a key ring. Although I do have like keychains, but I don't hang them to my bag because those are like special keychains and kind of souvenirs, and I have a fear of like losing them. What if they fall off from my bag? So that's why I don't hang it. But yeah, I think I'm getting on to that track again of like, being that getting around that trend by living in Korea. So look at the keychain, and sorry, this fits so well in this one. See, so you can just use this, and I tried it out. I tried the product, and it's really like soothing and dry. So this is how it looks like. I don't know if it's visible, but it's really good. I like it. I mean, it's just a backup to use it on the go. And there are like 3 colors, but I really like this pastel green color. Most of the things that I own is pastel green color, apart from black and red, of course. But I really like that. So these are my essentials. Now getting back to the new product that I wanted to try, because of the heat, and because I was sick like last month. I was really sick, so I popped a lot of pills, and my body has been like there's too much heat, and sometimes you don't drink much water or stay hydrated, so your lips start getting dry. And so I have been like trying to find I've been like trying to buy this product, but I didn't know how this goes. But today, because there are like a lot of offers going on, so I was like, why not? So I bought this Laneige, I don't know how to pronounce it, Laneige lip sleeping mask. It's a berry flavor. I usually don't go for flavors, colors or flavors or perfumes, but all they had was these four products. And it's like a mask. It's like a sticky mask to apply to your lips to make it like soft and hydrated at night. So this is what I got in the packet. And because there are a lot of offers going on, I also got like mini packets. Look at them. Mini packets of all the other 3 flavors or other 3 colors. So this is like, oh wait, this is like gummy bear. That's gummy bear. This is sweet candy, and this is like berry. But it's good. Like the fun thing that I like about products that they sell in Korea is that they also have like small travel packet products, and there are like a lot of free stuffs that you get from buying products. So usually you can get these, and or you can like carry them with you for a small trip, or like weekend trip or something, so you don't have to carry big pouches. And I really like that, because then you can really try it out and maybe like change your product next time, or like upgrade your product next time. So basically I really did a good shopping haul. What next? And because this products, like the entire products, were almost at the edge of getting a free gift hamper from Olivia, I bought a small packet of garlic pretzel. I tried this last time when I was traveling to Jeju, and then I really liked it, so I bought that because I could like be eligible for getting a gift hamper. So what do we have in this gift hamper? Let's see. So I got two shampoo packets, like a trial pack. Good part is they expire in 27, so it's good. Then I got 3 dark spot serum packets, 1 SPF sunscreen, 1 hydrated serum, 1 daily moisture body lotion. I really liked it because then I can carry that in my bag. 1 soothing repair cream, 1 toothpaste, and there's 1 funny packet in my in this gift voucher. That's moisture all-in-one for men, but I can use it for my hands. Also, this is Ines whitening vitamin C green tea brightening serum. So this is what I got, like a free hamper gift after like paying that much in the shop. So this was all about my Olive Young shopping, and I'm sure that I'm not gonna visit the shop again for like long time, because I'm not fond of like trying out different stuffs. But yeah, I thought like before I start using these products, I should like make a product video. And I'm not sure, but if you guys like this kind of videos, or you want to know more about this kind of products or anything else, just let me know. I can try it out and also make a video out of it. If you like these videos, then do please subscribe, like, and share my channel. I'm still in that I'm still in an experimental phase of what kind of videos I want to post on my YouTube. So just check it out and let me know. I'm surely gonna find more time to edit the videos that I have already made while living in Korea from past 3 months, and I'm looking forward to edit them as soon as possible so I can upload them, and then you can enjoy the video and also engage with the video. So till next time, see you soon. Bye bye.